So this is the Eureka self-cleaning brush roll suction seal technology vacuum. Says right here it's proven power cleans carpets better than Dyson's. Has a washable bagless filter, and down here, yes, my vacuum, different carpet sizes, high, medium, bare floor. On the roll, it has this really cool thing right here, which self-cleans the brush roll with a pedal right there. And let's see, it has a knob here to say if you want to use your tools or if you're going to clean the floor, so it channels the airflow differently to use the tube here. It has the on and on button right here. This button right here is the brush roll. It stops the spin on the brush roll so that you can use it on bare carpet without it flinging stuff everywhere. And you just push it again to use it on carpet. It's got the power button. Up here is how you attach and detach the bagless. The handle, obviously. It's got pretty cool attachments. It's got this stair and upholstery brush for small spaces, and it's got a little brush in there that goes, which attaches to this or to the hose itself. It just clips on there nicely. It's got the extension piece, and it's got a little brush as well. It's really nice because the cord winds up and pulls out, goes right in there, so you don't have to wind it up yourself. And there's the handle release, letting it fall backwards. Alright, now I'm going to let you watch it in action. So I'm going to let it go backwards. The power's down here. And there it goes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All in all, it picks up pretty great, and I definitely recommend.